everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful beanie hat. I use 4.5 millimeters hook and yarn. This yarn suitable for 4 millimeters and 4.5 millimeters hook. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn and chaining. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I made 66 chains. I have 48 centimeters of these chains. Like this, I show. Measure these chains around your head. If your head is 58 centimeters, you make these chains. You make 48 centimeters of these chains. If your head is 60 centimeters, you should make 50 centimeters of these chains. In here you have your foundation chains. Work being careful not to twist the chains. Insert your hook into first chain, yarn over, I show, pull through 2 yarns together, make 2 chains, go to first chain, in here, yarn over, go to first chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 double crochet, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next chain, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull through, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, in next chain, make 1 double crochet in each chain, 1 double crochet, go to next chain, 1 double crochet, go to next chain, 1 double crochet, and continue like this for this round. I made this stitch. I made 1 double crochet in each chain. In here, go to top of first chains, a slip stitch, make 2 chains, I show, yarn over, take first a stitch on your hook, insert your hook, this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make front post double crochet around first double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, round second double crochet. I show insert your hook from back into this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make back post double crochet, yarn over, take next stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet around this stitch. We make 1 front post double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook from back into this stitch, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, make back post double crochet in here, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, take this stitch, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, and continue like this for this round. Front post, back post, front post, back post. I show, make 1 front post, 1 back post double crochet in this stitch and continue like this for this round. I show into last stitch, make back post double crochet, take last stitch on your hook, make front post double crochet, go to this top of these chains, first chains, a slip stitch, make 2 chains. Now we have front post double crochet in this line, back post double crochet in this line, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, yarn over, take front post double crochet on your hook, make front post double crochet, yarn over, take back post double crochet on your hook, make back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet. And continue like this, make more rows, front post on front post, back post on back post. I made this rows, make last stitch, back post, front post, go to top of first chains, slip stitch. In here I have 25 centimeters. You can continue and make longer than this. In this row, continue like this, 2 chains. Take first a stitch on your hook, make 1 front post, double crochet, make a chain, yarn over, skip this, back post, double crochet, go to next front post, double crochet, make 1 front post, double crochet, make a chain, skip this back post, make 1 front post, make a chain, make 1 front post, make a chain, make a chain, front post, double crochet, 1 chain, front post, double crochet, 1 chain, front post, double crochet, make a chain, and continue like this. Make 1 chain, 1 front post, double crochet in this round. Make 1 front post, double crochet, 1 chain, go to last front post, double crochet, make 1 front post, double crochet, 1 chain, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, make 2 chains. We have 1 front post, double crochet, 1 chain in this round. In here continue like this, make front post, double crochet, go to this chain, make a double crochet, take this front post, double crochet on your hook, make 1 front post, double crochet, go to this chain, make 1 double crochet, take this stitch, 1 front post, double crochet, go to this chain, 1 double crochet, 1 front post, double crochet, 1 double crochet. Şu 1 front post, double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 front post, double crochet, 1 double crochet, make a front post, double crochet, go to this chain, 1 double crochet, and continue like this for this round. I made this stitch, make front post, double crochet in last stitch, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, make 2 chains, take first stitch on your hook, make front post, double crochet, and continue in here, continue same as before, rows. Take this stitch on your hook from back, make back post, double crochet, front post, double crochet on front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet on double crochet stitches, front post, back post, front post, back post, front post, back post. Şu same as before rows. Front post, back post, front post, back post. I made this row, make front post double crochet, go to top of first chains, a slip stitch. I have 28 centimeters in here. Make a slip knot, make a slip knot and chaining, make chains. Continue like this.